This weekend's probably the best weekends by far I've ever had. I've gotten to meet 5 amazing women who have also been through tragedy, and I hate that it took all that to bring us together, but I'm also super grateful. And so to be able to hear their stories and to be at this location and just have God in the center of it and just do all these amazing events and all the things, but just developing those friendships through this is the most important. But all the extras were definitely a huge bonus on top of it.
Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning, 'cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror, I find one. Oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard, pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12, don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself.
Legacy Farms has been a part of my life for almost 2 years now, and I cannot believe that. I could not wait to wake up and have coffee, looking off of the top of the hill and just looking down. It's just so serene, and just take a deep breath. And this time I was greeted with a massage. Oh my gosh. I mean, I would have never guessed. I thought we were coming to lounge in our PJs, maybe watch some Netflix, you know. I knew we'd have a fire, I knew we'd see the horses, and the horses just bring me so much peace too. But I just never expected a shopping spree, and then the random act of kindness. I feel like a princess.
Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning, 'cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror, I find one. Oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard, pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12, don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself.
There have been so many things we've done. It's been just one surprise after another, honestly. But really, more than anything, just being able to sit down and spend time with the different women, and that's really where the treasure is, you know. It's really amazing.
And the sun is always right behind the storm.
My stay this weekend here has been amazing. The 4 other ladies that I've met through Amy and all the ladies that helped out have been wonderful. Just being able to sit outside and have just peace, to see the amazing views and to see what God has created, it brought me hope on this journey. And I'm so thankful that I'm able to be here, and it's amazing that what they've done for the law enforcement, first responders, and their families.